Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application and the way how you can repost someone else's story into your own story. So here you just need to open your Instagram application right away. If you want to repost someone else's story, make sure that you got mentioned or you tagged on their story that they post, so that you will have activated the collaborations features on story section. So here you just need to open your applications, and then you just need to take a look on this top right corner on the home sections. There will be like a lot of the direct message that you received, and whenever someone mention you on their story, there will be like pop-up information just like you see on the screen here. And then you just need to go click it, and you just need to open the story that you are tagged on, and then the next thing you need to do is just right away click add to your story. And now you already got the story that you tagged with, and then you just need to tap it to resize it, or you can also do some action by exploring all the tools that Instagram have here. And after you're done, you just need to go click your story, and you just need to wait until the story is perfectly uploaded into your Instagram account. So that's the way how to repost as Instagram story. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. So let's meet again into other tutorial.